If you see the beating that day, next time, once they say, take this money, go back, you say, no, uncle, we're there, okay, we don't want any problem. Just leave us to where we are. Is you around? You never come at it? You never come here? Still on this way, right? Okay, you know, I always say this of my experiences. I remember back then in the university, I was smoking bowl. It's not like you should be ashamed about. There's a smoking bowl. You understand what I'm talking about? You can never lie that you don't understand what I'm talking about. Ogus, only your face will make NDA welcome you to the session. Then the smoking bowl. Those days for university was a hardcore blue smoker. No shame about it. Let me tell you how it started. He gave one guy, a heavy mafia guy, for the compound by the state. His name is Lech. Those days when Lech come out, so all of us they fear him. So when they look at the bad guy, so Lech could just enter. When Lech enter, who will fear him? So one day for the full compound, only me, the Lech waka enter. Consider when you normally smoke it go. But one corner for the compound. As he smoke, now I come out and say, I call him Ross Lech, he hear me back. As I walk out, come out, take us in. I don't say that when they do this kind of thing. I said, bros, this is a bad thing now. He said, let me tell you something about it. Now, the mistake I made was to give him 5 seconds to listen. He psyched me so that I couldn't see the goodness of the I sat down and I smoked the bowl with him. And you know there's something that the bowl does. When you take the first drag for my ex, I mean like my fellow smokers when they here. If you take the first drag, you're not going to do anything. You take the second one, you're not going to do anything. Now only you go cause and the bowl will be so when I take the first 2, 3, I said, the bowl will be nothing there, sir. At the end of the day, now I finish one rap. And then we had an assignment. So as I couldn't write the assignment, that bowl took me to another level. I went for the assignment for submit. 2 days after, like the lecturer call for every student. You know how they do it? They'll say, if you know you have 1/10, stand up. Let people stand. If you have 2/10, stand up. Let people stand. So they don't do a reach where the man can say, if you know you have 9/10, stand up. 2 people stand up. If you know you have 9.5/10, stand up. When you can stand. The man can say, I would have given you 10, but I just said no. You are an intelligent student. So my mind took me back to Lech. I said, this Igbo, here I come. So I begin to smoke every time. Smoke. Now the day I stop, I will also tell you. We get exam, we get departmental, we get external exam. You know how they be. So when they fear the external exam for our department that time, they fear the team. So in the morning we don't come 8 o'clock, time for exam. We don't sit down. Because since the people are too cheap, we scatter everything. Out of excitement, 3 of us will always speak. We will say, guy, who will touch before we come for the second paper? And they get one bush. If you know say you go for the University of Jobs, they get one forest and one banana side. Why you do that? I'm not sure I mean they see you for that forest. If you need that forest, now you see the bad guy. You don't need that place if you know the bad guy. So we need the assembly to just touch this thing. As we smoke, we carry our just simple 2 laps. We call the smoke. 3 of us for the exchange. But which you write for this one? Which you write for this one? So as we finish our 1 lap, then the second lap, like one guy, we can exercise on join us. So on the 4. So in join us, and you know this thing is communion. That's one thing that brings people together. Bad team and sports. These are 2 things. So as we did, they share out our second lap. Now the guy bring out the first rap, which is making us the 3rd rap now. So when the smoke, the smoke. After we round up that 3rd one, he bring out the 4th one. We begin the smoke. Yes, which is his own second. You are following him seriously. You're a good student. You know, the second. Then come bring the 3rd one. We still call the full out, but now the tempo won't take the full out, only reduce. As we round up, they come bring the 5th one. By then we don't hide. Nobody else comes and say, guy. We Because if you dey high for a boat, your shoulders go dey weak. All your lips go dey oily. Now we call this guy, you know the right exam. And the guy said, no, I've been mechanic for that. That was the last days for this my life. And for each time at the time, we have to be very, very careful, or else this will put you in trouble. You know, say you know if you smoke good, because you know you have a very soft heart. You know, a very good man. I know if you smoke good. I don't know if my wife is here. My wife is denying me. This story is a very long time story. Don't take it personally. But reach out and tell me, say, I cannot come inside house. You know, I keep saying that, you know, women are very strong species. We need to respect them. Only vacation, we come up. You know, every year my family travels to America, you know, for vacation. But this period, as Buhari changed the matter, then and only then did I realize that Jos and America are the same way. My wife said, are we going on vacation this time? I said, yes. We are going. They don't prepare the visa, everything. Relax. I said, don't worry, I'll bring the tickets. I laughed. My wife flew the ticket. Arik. He said, does Arik go to America? I said, yes. He come look the price. He said, 27,000. I said, they are doing sales this year. My wife don't know what happened in the land just. She can't live with her parents. This period is a very trying time. They say, yeah, it's a brother, you mad. You know what the dollar they talk about? You know, this is the period that even artists now, they wear this cap. Before they will start when they VIP. Now, they're there for economy. You're going to say, Vector, how are you? Oh, your thing is smelling. How did you know?
Smell this thing, smell. finish it.
What is how I
Like she impregnated a lady and she had 3 years old for you.
Jesus! Listen, don't kill this girl alive. Alphabets and numbers. Top alphabets, numbers. I was shocked. I begin go there, they say 1, 2, 3. Well, my wife will say, tell that you blend. 1, 2, 3. Go say 1, 2, 3, 4. I say, wow. But I noticed say, you don't really talk when in what my wife tell her to talk. If I tell her to talk, you know they talk. It go go quiet. But I now notice the opposite. Anytime I hold money in the account, my picking goes, wow. Pray, stop that rubbish. I'm not going to where you go. Only money you want, come and learn. I always tell people the same story. You know, this Bobby here, very wicked guy. Bobby said to me, to born for America no cost. And you know, Bobby is my very good friend, so I looked at it as a very good advice. He said, no pass $5,000. I said, hey, that's okay. Now I'm carrying my wife. Just go America. Now when we reach there, I don't discover saying there are hidden charges. When they will tell you about. You know, I don't pay the official bill. When the hidden charges come, they come out. I can't notice saying me when they wear size 16 for shirt. I can't fit into 14 and a half. How I do not know. Now me call the company for Nigeria. I say, guy, I say they owe me before I travel. You know. The one we came in and when they tell me, say, you need to do the last of the whole bills you need to pay. I said, he said, we're going to do the auditory test. Just to make sure that your son can hear very well. I said, if it is free, we will do it. If it is not, let me think about it. As they say, no, it's not free. It's $500. I said, we're coming back. Let's go and discuss as a family. My wife began shout, $500, now you don't feel pay. How much did they take the drink beer for Nigeria? Pay this thing! Stinking man, pay it! I said, do you have money? My wife said, no. I said, so why are you disturbing people? Now I tell her, I said, is there anybody in your family who has hearing problem? My wife said, no. I said, my lineage there is no. I can start from this morning. I said, we are coming back, I will move. We reach house, my wife began to shout again. I said, pay this $500. Meanwhile, my pikin is sleeping. Pay this $500. Stingy mama. She entered. She controlled our pikin for couch. But still they complain. I said, close the door. My wife closed the door. I said, jam it. My wife just jam it. My pikin shake. I said, is there any other experiment? was stuck in an Abuja ATM. And then they didn't know say we are in. We learned Scotland. They show no sell out. Jesus tell us, don't worry, don't go to London to be a sold out show. It be like saying London here about the Scotland show, they reduced the audience. It was another thing. Now we need to do it. Now so as I talk to you, so we were broke because we are for people don't go spend our money for London. All our money buy things. Now when we enter America, now we know say they know they take 9 months coming. No help from anywhere. 9, he reached one day, 9 just asked us, have you ever been to a strip club? Me, I know Sabila. I said, no. Funny one said, no, it's okay. The beauty of America is when you finish all your work, you must enter a strip club. Now it's okay, no problem. Bobby, no go. Bobby, come. Bobby, come. You dey go. Bobby, if you go, I confess you. Alright. You know, so now, you know, God said the beauty of this thing. Now, when you go to the strip club, after everything was okay. And that time, Funny Bone was more or less a partial virgin. He never really noticed. You understand? Partial. You see why they tell you that so many years ago, don't try him now. Funny Bone, they enter him in lag now, then the vice chancellor they come and here the guys just told me that you just came. Right? We told the as we just did, Julius Cosimo was strip club, go. And you know, Nigerian men, you really don't like it when it's so flat from behind. You know, self-concept. Not to like these Asians when they see. Why they don't get where big booty dig? Now, the guy when the carriers go around is actually a digging for church. The carriers go wants to go. If you see my crush, if you see something, one side they like the full princess. Wow, say now this one let me straight. So God tell us, so okay, now this is what is going to happen. Say you're going to give us some money, $50, $1, $50. We said when they want that way to get this money. Because all the shows never go through. So how come you have $50 to give us? Meanwhile, we don't get Christians. Because hold this $50, hold this $50. If any day we come, just this prayer. Wow, this pray, you know, this prayer money go to dance for you, they twerk for you. Now, I'm a very obedient person. I follow instructions. One of the girls will come out with me and say, hello. I say, hi. He said, are you ready for me tonight? I said, I've not been doing anything. Very ready. Meanwhile, funny long time, he said, you know, so funny, they start. He said, oh, yeah, man. I said, I don't respect my money. Because we don't know when else we go see another woman. I said, okay, no problem. Me, I go spend my money. Right? The guy goes, okay, make we go down, so don't come up one side. As we go, now one other guy go meet Funny Bone, come say, sweetie. Funny say, are you ready for me tonight? Funny say, I just did, now the guy begin touch Funny Bone for body. As the hand they go down, now Funny Bone say, I don't like all this kind of thing. The next minute, something really like the $1 with Julius that shows. They fly forever. For one darkness, they fly. You know, I can't see who they do this dollar rain for here. That's how they fly around. And they say, I see where Funny Bone go there. They say, I see somebody wrong coming. Only one, I say, if you borrow me $20, I will pay. when they go house, now police for their patrol vehicle come catch them. Put them inside. If they tell them, say they work for here, they don't hear. They go lock. The next day, all their show when they that work, when they work, come ask for Shakara, they say they lock them. Over 30 years ago, they march down to the police station. Say when they release their boy, see police, they back down Ashawo. Say, come on, here. They say, nah, get me. So this thing don't happen for over 30 minutes. Police don't get any choice but to release Shakara. And you know, see for police, they'll come on your shirt, come on your shoe, everything. So Shakara come out for the pavement. Like carry your shoe. We didn't call no hand for your Ashawo. Ashawo can say, president is suspicious of your party. Are you believing? Shall I continue my story, please? Yes. But distinguished comedian Shakara, did Emeka actually shit in the bus or not? Did he? You are standing here before Nigerians, over 170 million. You cannot disgrace your constituency. Yeah. 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 All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, when they spare for the place got changed, Shakara got turned one looking man. Emeka did not know how to communicate. He looked at his fellow comedian and said, Baba Shakulu, which is what we call Shakara. I don't do it. Now, the problem was where they will stop on back. People don't cause Emeka die beside that place. So eventually, when the bus can't stop, now Emeka must stand up. But because Shakara is a 9-bus experienced passenger, he said to him, sit down. No rushing. Let people come out. No. And Emeka, inexperienced, said, okay, bros. Then eventually when everybody come out, then they come back and come outside. Emeka could not walk fast. You know, say once you don't drop this thing, you say you can say they learn how to move. Eventually, Nai Shakara, who aided him, come to buy one bag of pure water, keep by the side. They come enter bush. As they enter bush, he said, come to your keys, come to your keys. Shakara, please, can we replicate what you put down? Please, can you come? All those in support of Shakara to come down here, say aye. The eyes have to just come, just come. So now this is Shakara playing the role of Shakara. I shall play the role of Emeka Smith. So now Shakara has the pure water. Yes. He said it was Shakara that was released by the prostitute. How do you think that? I lie against you, forget about you. Now what will happen? So now, this is Shakara and this is Emeka Smith. Now, Shakara, what did you tell Emeka? He told him to bend down. The washer. Remember the small guy when they said the pure water, they hear the praise us. Allah, now go to the book. The washer. They thank me now, don't forget the story. Oh, Baba Shakuro, thank you very much. No, they thank me, the washer. Baba Shakuro, you don't say everything that she did, I don't know if you do this kind of thing. The next picture, please. So if you want to go home this time, alright, wait for your turn. Honorable sir, what are you trying to say about me? Will you say what happened in Abuja after AY Live? At the club? That is a very critical case. Members of the House, do you want to hear it? Honorable sir, we should hold it. This man you see here, it's a very